What if I told you the businesses creating the most millionaires today aren't tech startups, crypto, or flashy side hustles? They're boring, painfully boring. And that's exactly why they work. Because while everyone else is chasing excitement, quiet and ignored businesses are quietly compounding wealth. Stay with me, because one of these businesses has been turning ordinary people into millionaires for over 100 years, and it still works today. We live in a culture obsessed with speed, fast money, viral success, build a startup, exit in 5 years. But here's what most people never hear. According to Forbes, Harvard Business Review, and long-term wealth studies by JP Morgan, over 70% of self-made millionaires didn't get rich by inventing something new. They got rich by owning predictable demand, repetitive services, and businesses people can't stop paying for. Not exciting, but unstoppable. Business number one, trash and waste management. When was the last time you skipped taking out the trash? Garbage is one of the few services humans cannot opt out of. And that makes it billionaire-level boring. Waste management companies don't innovate much. They don't trend. They don't excite investors on social media. Yet, they generate billions in predictable cash flow every year. Because cities must collect trash, contracts last decades, and routes are protected by regulation. Once a company controls a territory, replacing them becomes almost impossible. Warren Buffett once said he prefers businesses so good an idiot could run them. Trash fits perfectly. And if garbage can create millionaires, imagine what happens when demand never drops. Business number two, laundromats. Here's something most people don't realize. Poor neighborhoods often produce better laundromat profits than wealthy ones, because renters don't own washing machines. Industry data shows laundromats stayed profitable through the 2008 financial crisis. The COVID lockdowns and inflation spikes. People may skip vacations. They won't skip clean clothes. In New York, a former bus driver bought one small laundromat in the 1990s. He reinvested the profits. Bought another, then another. By the time he retired, he owned dozens. No ads, no hype. Just machines working 16 hours a day. You don't need innovation when demand is permanent. Business number three, recurring service businesses. How often do pests disappear forever? They don't. And that's why these businesses quietly build millionaires everywhere. They don't rely on one-time sales. They lock customers into scheduled inevitability. Bugs always come back. Grass keeps growing. Pools get dirty again every week. Harvard Business Review has shown that recurring revenue businesses are far more stable and valuable than one-time services. That's why private equity firms have spent billions buying small local pest control companies. Not apps. Not tech. Neighborhood businesses. A single technician can service hundreds of homes on a fixed route. Customers pay monthly or quarterly, rarely cancel, and don't price shop when their home is infested. Owners don't get rich spraying chemicals. They get rich owning the routes, contracts, and systems. The goal isn't customers who love you. It's customers who forget to cancel you. Business number four, self-storage facilities. This business thrives on human behavior. We buy more than we can store. We move more than we plan, and we hate throwing things away. That's why self-storage has some of the highest profit margins in real estate. Customers move their stuff in once, then rarely come back. Many forget they're even paying. Most facilities run with minimal staff, raise prices every year, and operate almost on autopilot. The most profitable businesses don't solve problems. They delay them. Business number five, commercial cleaning and janitorial services. This business is invisible. When it's done right, nobody notices. And that's exactly why it prints money. Offices, hospitals, schools, and malls aren't choosing cleanliness. They're legally required to maintain it. Sanitation failures can lead to fines, lawsuits, or forced shutdowns. Before 2020, cleaning was considered nice to have. After COVID, it became essential infrastructure. Many small cleaning companies locked in long-term contracts, raised prices, and expanded into compliance and sanitation audits. The owners didn't get rich cleaning floors. They got rich managing systems and contracts. The richest businesses are often the ones nobody wants to run, but everyone needs. Business number six, accounting and tax services. Every year, individuals and businesses face the same fear: getting taxes wrong, and they'll gladly pay someone else to avoid it. Tax laws get more complex almost every year. That's bad for citizens but great for accountants. Accounting firms benefit from recurring annual revenue, high switching costs, and built-in fear of mistakes. Many start as solo practices and quietly sell for millions. No ads, no trends, just legal necessity. So here's the truth most people never learn: wealth doesn't come from excitement. It comes from inevitability. Boring businesses win because demand doesn't disappear, customers don't debate purchases, and systems outlive founders, while everyone else chases the next big thing. Millionaires quietly own the things society can't function without: trash, clean clothes, recurring services, storage, clean buildings, paperwork. Not glamorous, but unstoppable. So the real question isn't what's exciting. It's what people will still pay for, no matter what. Because that's where boring becomes beautiful. And that's where ordinary people become wealthy.